video, we are going to learn how to simplify this Surds expression without using a calculator. We have a solution. Now we have this 2 all over 2 plus root 3. Now to simplify this correctly, we are going to rationalize the denominator. To rationalize simply means we are going to take the conjugate of this denominator and multiply it top and bottom of this original expression. The conjugate of 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. It's just for you to replace this positive sign with a negative sign. Now the expression becomes 2 all over 2 plus root 3 multiplied by the conjugate, which is 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. At this point, nothing changes here. Now, we are going to multiply this out, and we have 2 into 2 minus root 3. Then, all over here, we are going to take the difference of 2 squares of this denominator. That is, we are going to pick out 2, square it. We pick out this minus here, square this. Now, at this very point, we simplify this further. We are going to have here 2 into 2 minus root 3. Then all over 2 square, that gives us 4, minus square root of 3 square, that will give us 3. But right here we have 2 into 2 minus root 3 all over 4 minus 3, that gives us 1. Then here we simplify this further. We have 2 times 2, that gives us 4, minus 2 root 3, and this is the simplified form of this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.